This is Main Art. Thanks for checking out my video today. Today, this character is definitely a special character for me. I've done this before on a much larger piece, but I call this the pirate, this character. So I'm going to just get started pretty quick here. See if I can really loose just with this charcoal and pastel. So I'm starting with the pastel and see if I can get this shape down. Okay. So you can see it's a very rough start. Just gonna get in here. And if you've checked out my other videos, you'll see I use this similar style sometimes where I'll just shape out the face and then go back in and complete the actual character or figure with charcoal. So today, let's see what we can do. Just gonna get a very, very rough shape. Okay. So that's gonna kick up a little bit there. All right. So at this point, I think I am ready to get in with the charcoal, and let's see if we can start adding some details to this character. So you can see it's a little bit different. All right, start in here, kick in an eye. I'm gonna use that charcoal and just start blending in a little bit in certain areas. Gives it a cool effect when you kind of shade that in. All right, from here, do a cool fade in as well on that side. Yeah, so just going over this with the charcoal, really make those corners stand out. And so far you can see this is just some cool shapes I'm using. Fade that out just with my blending. All right, so from here, let's just see if we can start to add almost a hat on this character. See, we'll bring it down this way, hook forward. Come up on this side. Just do another layer in the middle here. And this is really pretty quick, but it's gonna give us a good feel. And then perhaps we'll add a fold, kind of a fold on this back of this hat, and this side as well. That'll kind of hook in the back there. So very rough shape. But from here we could just continue to start adding some design, some texture. So I might come in with the white a little bit, add some lighter areas right at the gate from the top here. Even come in down here on the face. get some texture in there. Across the top here. All right. So from here, I'm gonna just jump back in, maybe start adding a little bit of design on this part of this hat. We'll start to really fade that in. Solid black. And this is just using that charcoal to blend into the lighter areas. Start to give a cool effect on this side as well. Okay, so I start adding a little bit of extra detail coming in off the back of this character's face. Darken that up a little bit again. Fade that down. Okay. What's cool about this character is almost like a phantom slash pirate looking character. So, and then perhaps in this hat might be, call it maybe a squid character. Kind of looks a little squid shape. Hide that creature in there. That'll be kind of cool. You know, we can come back in with a little bit of light, some texture to that. So yeah, it's pretty neat. Just hiding in that, hide that character in there. It's like a giant squid. See if we can add some faint eyes. Pretty cool there. From the front, I'm just gonna darken it out and then fade into a little bit lighter. Okay, so definitely cool looking so far. Say we'll come in here with the neck, work in some interesting kind of sinew and different feel. And then come back in with that charcoal again, which really make some interesting cuts. All right. Darken this up a little bit. Continue with the charcoal over the pastel. I'm going to take it a little step further. Maybe we start adding some color in certain areas. Maybe sneak some color back in the neck. And this is a different variation of my original, but it's similar in look and feel, similar shapes, but we're just gonna have some different coloration through here. It's kind of coming into this main type. Okay, so definitely getting some cool effects going on. Add a little bit more of this kind of darkened sinew in the neck. And now let's see if we can get some of these eyes kicked off. Maybe really cool. Start with that. If you've seen some of my other videos as well, you see sometimes similar structures with the eyes. Okay, pretty cool. Add a little bit more. That yellow to really pop. And then combination with black charcoal. So you can see there's a lot of different combinations you can do with pastel and charcoal. It's definitely my favorite mediums. Get a little bit color on this squid character. All right, so just gonna add a little bit extra here. All right, so yeah, definitely interesting looking character so far. Um, Even see if we can extend this hat a little bit further back. Might kick off like that. Swing down the back a little bit. But we'll leave it as that for now. Okay. Go back over some of these lines here, make it a little bit darker in certain areas. Very cool so far, yeah. Add a little bit extra on this side. Give it a cool look there with the black. Kind of cool too, coming down the front. All right. Well, thank you for your time. I do appreciate it today. And if you like this kind of types of drawings, I definitely invite you to check out my other videos and subscribe as well. I've been trying to put out new stuff every few days, all original. So thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Take care and keep drawing as well, staying creative. It's important always to get the mind, imagination going. Thank you so much. This is Main Art. Take care.